What would you do if no one could judge you? This is the exact same thing my professor asked me that led me to change my career. So here's the truth, your life isn't linear. It is supposed to bend and mold, and you are supposed to become a different person every 10 years. So today I'm going to show you a framework that's called the Odyssey Plan. And it's actually game changer when you want to design your life, and I've used it to figure out my own career. So here's how it works. You can ask these three questions to yourself. Number one, what happens if you keep doing what you're already doing? So imagine that in the next 5 years, nothing changes. The job market stays the same, your life stays the same. Would you still want to continue doing what you're currently doing? So this will be your life number one. In life number two, imagine that money and status, and of course, people's opinions, don't matter at all. In that case, what would you choose to become? So, in an ideal world where you have enough money, where you have unlimited time, and where people's opinions don't actually matter, in that state, what would you want to become? And in life number three, if life number one or life number two doesn't exist, in your third life, what would you want to become? So, once you have these three things written down, you can figure out what are the things that you like the most, what's something that you're passionate about, and what's the backup plan that you have in your mind. See, the point is not to be perfect. You are not supposed to predict your life. I am not the same person I was 5 years back. You are too. So, the plan is not to predict life, that how it's supposed to happen, but the point is to figure out the possibilities. What are the things that you can do? What are the things that you would like to do if certain things happen in your life? In a world where people's opinions matter so much to us, it becomes very difficult for anyone to just pick something that they're truly passionate about. But at this point of life, let me tell you this one thing, that it is okay if you have not figured things out. Use this framework that's going to help you figure out what are the things that you actually enjoy. It gives you a very good visibility of the things that you actually enjoy. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to grab a notebook and you're going to ask these three questions to yourself. Now, once you are done with it, you are going to ask yourself, which one excites me the most? Now, I'm not saying that once you choose one, that okay, life number three excites me the most, I'm going to start doing it tomorrow, because that's unrealistic, right? So, what you can do is you can take baby steps that would help you reach that goal. For example, I like doing art, and maybe someday I would like to have an art studio. Now, I cannot go ahead and just build a studio on top of any mountain, right? I can do instead is, if this life excites me the most, I'm going to start working on my art skills. I'm going to attend more events where I meet a lot of artists. That will give me a very good idea of if this is something that I would like to pursue or not. And yeah, let me know what is the most exciting thing that you came up with, and I'll make sure to comment on them. Okay, see you. Bye.